Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, then go to your contacts and find the contact that you'd like to block and tap on it. Then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block contact. As you can see, your device will immediately block it. Here we've got this characteristic icon, and it means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it blocked. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now to open the blacklist, we need to go back to our contact list here and tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Then let's tap on blocked and go to blacklist. And this is the number we blocked from our contacts, which means that the previous option works, which is great. And now we can simply tap on this plus icon, and here we can also add the number manually. We do not really have to have it saved on our contacts. Tap on add and it will immediately appear there. So this is how it works, and if you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this trash bin icon next to it and tap on remove to confirm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.